you the top 5 SQL functions that every data analyst should know. So if I go to the next screen here, I have the first one, which is count, and this allows you to count rows. For example, from that same data, I want to know how many customers have VIP. All I just need to do is to do a count asterisk from customers, because I need a where clause from the segment to count the VIPs alone. So I will write this and then run this select statement. So we have about 7 customers that are in the VIP. The second one is sum, which allows you to sum the total values in a field, right? And for this one, I will be looking at the total revenue. So, and that is just going to be select sum of the sales column from the customer. And if we run these, you have at the answer here that you can see 30,000 plus. And the third one is average. Average, that is like a mean value. So let's say, for example, we want to look for the mean of sales or average of sales. So we can just write that average and sales value, and as you can see, we have an output here. However, this has a lot of decimal points. We'll be coming to round later so that you'll be able to know how to format that decimal point. And number 4 is max and min, which is for maximum and minimum value, which is like lowest and the highest sales value. So for that, I just have select max of sales, min of sales. You can even put alias here as maybe maximum, and then for this one you say as minimum, and so that you just have it as maximum and minimum in the output. So as you can see, I have the maximum here and I have the minimum here. That is pretty good, right? That one is great for identifying outliers to know the highest and the lowest. The final one, which is round, is used for formatting numbers. So for example, you might want to round to 3 decimal places, 4 decimal places, or any decimal places. But what I'll be doing here will be rounding off the average sales, which has a lot of decimal places, to 2 decimal places. So you can see this is average sales. Previously we've calculated that, then we put it in a round function for 2 decimal places. So let's run this and see what that gives us. Finally, we are able to have 2 decimal places, that is 0.79. I hope this helps you. Thank you very much.